question of the day. I had a buyer call me very excited this morning because he was under the impression that he would be able to go firm on his offer to acquire property because the sellers had provided him a copy of the home inspection report and everything looked very clear. And so his question to me was whether he should rely on that report or not. The very simple and short answer, first off, is that service contracts are not transferable in most of the cases. And so if the seller's paid for that home inspection report, if the buyer relies on it, the buyer hasn't paid for it. And so if something turns out to be inaccurate or is a misrepresentation, the buyer may not have any sort of legal recourse against that home inspector simply because the buyer didn't contract the home inspector and the buyer didn't pay for the report. And so the buyer should not have any ability to rely on that statement. Very simply, the legal presumption is buyer beware. Spend the $250 to $500, whatever it's going to cost to do your own due diligence. That way, if something does go south, you have somebody that you can hold accountable, arguably, for that inspection report. If you take it from the seller, you might save a buck, but it's advisable, even if the seller gives you the inspection report, that you get your own, so that if something goes wrong, you do have potential legal recourse. I hope this video helps. We'll see you again next time.